Oh, good morning, and what a beautiful day it is out here in Port Colborne. It is the, actually I don't know what day it is. Is it the 18th or the 19th of October? I'll have to check in a minute. Anyway, we're into the second part of October now, and we just had a bit of a cold spell. We had a couple of frosts and stuff like that, and yeah, it's starting to warm up a little bit today. We're expecting to get to about 13 degrees Celsius, maybe 14, but right now it's 10, which is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The water temperature is starting to drop as well. It's probably in the low 60s now. Definitely starting to feel it, so I'm kind of prepared now. Virtually got the full winter gear ready apart from the top, which is a little warm out. So we're going to go out into Port Colborne and see what we can find today. There is a salty out there coming through, and I also think there might be a cruise ship on its way out for the last time for the season, going back out to sea into Ontario, St. Lawrence, and out onto the Atlantic Ocean. You know, back to its regular duties of winter touring in the Antarctica and places like that. So let's see what we can find out here in Port Colborne on this bloody beautiful Friday morning. The marina is starting to look a little bit more empty now, as more and more boats are now being taken out for winter storage. But there's a lot of fishing boats out today. I've tried to launch at Crystal Beach, but it was packed down there. So I drove up here to Port Colborne instead. Oh, here comes the salty now, so let's try and get ahead of it and see if we can get some shots. Oops. Well, there it is, just coming in. Okay, it's coming a bit quicker than I expected. Right, I need to get on the other side because the sun's over there, so let's just cut across and we'll get this one. Onega Neva. It's quite small in comparison to some of the vessels we see here, especially the bridge area, the pilot area, and the sleeping quarters. Guy up there just sunning himself in the morning sun. He's relaxing on his phone, and these guys are hard at work. Of it, and we'll watch it go under the bridge. The MV Onego Neva is a general cargo ship built in 2008 by the Yichang Shipyard in Yichang, China, and it sails under the flag of Antigua and Barbuda. The overall length of the ship is 145 meters and 63 centimeters, which is 478 feet, and she has a beam of 18 meters and 29 centimeters, which is 60 feet.
and the overall gross tonnage is 7,878 tons. Over its service life, it is operated under different names such as Thorco Cobra and Marmindaro, before adopting its current name, Onego Neva.
Built in 2008, this vessel is now on its way to Bilbao in Spain, and probably won't see this again here for at least another year. Most of the Salties are now will start heading out. I know the cruise ship's coming in very shortly, and that's heading out, and because the seaway notices are now being announced, the Montreal section will be starting to close in a few weeks' time. So a lot of these Salties are going to start making a move to get back out onto the ocean before they start closing this down. So there you have it, another vessel in the books. Hope you enjoyed that one. Stick around, there's another one coming.